Hey, Joe here again. So I need to talk to you about something. It's your check engine light when it comes on, and we're going to talk about it right now. Okay, so there's nothing like that sinking feeling you get when that little yellow engine light comes on your instrument cluster, and you shouldn't panic when that happens. If it's flashing at you, yes, you should probably get it somewhere as soon as possible because it's indicating that your car's engine is in a misfire state. Now, the check engine light comes on, it just stays on. You might go to your local parts store and they offer a very nice service. Well, they will pull the scan out, pull the scan tool out, and they will check for a code. For this example, let's say it's a P0442. This would indicate that there's a slow leak in the evaporative emission system. Okay, so the first thing that you check when you have a code like that is you check the gas cap, the condition of the gas cap. And heck, while you're there at the parts store, they might just sell you one. And if it fixes your problem, great. If it doesn't, that's when you gotta have a certified, qualified automotive technician to look at the issue. Okay, so the reason I'm bringing this up is there's a lot of people that have this idea that because a technician plugs a scan tool, it fixes a car. Now, when you go to the doctor, let's say you have an EKG where they put the pads all over your chest and they measure your heartbeat, right? Okay, so you see the squiggly lines going by. Okay, yeah, I see squiggly lines. I don't know what that means. Do you? I don't know what that means. Maybe you're a cardiologist and you know what that means. I know what it means when you see the straight line going across. That's not good. So kind of the same thing with an automotive technician. An automotive technician is going to use a scan tool that is quite a bit more pricey than what the parts stores might use. Okay, so let me give you an example. This scan tool right here costs $3,000 and you have to pay for updates every month to get it updated. Same with this one. This one was about $2,000 and you have to get this one updated annually as well. So a lot of people might think that, okay, these scan tools cost so much money and they're so good that the mechanic just plugs it in and it fixes the car and it's all set. Many of you probably know that this isn't true, but there are a handful of people out there, well, more than a handful, that think that because you plug this scan tool in, it's going to fix the problem. No. What it takes is a mechanic to look at the data, to see what data is out of spec, so he can basically focus on that system. All right? So let's say with the first code we just talked about, a P0442, a slow leak in the evaporative emission system. You already replaced the gas cap. That didn't fix the problem, so there's a leak somewhere in the system. So he's going to cycle through the solenoids in that system to make sure they're working as they should. If they are, then he's going to check for a leak. And generally today, smoke is used to put within the system to actually find out where the smoke is escaping, then you have located the leak. It's not like a fluid leak where you can see where it's leaking out, such as an oil leak, a transmission leak, antifreeze leak, and all that. So I just wanted to clarify this with you so you have a better understanding of what goes into diagnosing your check engine light and why it might cost more sometimes than other times. It depends on how much time the mechanic spends on finding the problem. A lot of places will charge you 1 hour, regardless if they spend a half an hour on it or an hour. That's the name of the game. Kind of like when your furnace stops working at your house on a Sunday and the furnace guy comes to your house and he pushes the reset button and he charges you $110 and he says, see you Monday, I'll fix it then. And then you get another bill then. So anyway, that's the best analogy I could come up with at this point in time. Hey, so I hope you enjoyed this video. It's clarified things for you. Until next time, like and subscribe, drive safely, and be kind to the others around you, okay? Have a great day.